Hey guys, Jenny here from WTI. Today what I wanted to share with you are these amazing vanilla wafers. So I am obsessed with these. My babies, my children, my husband, we are all obsessed with these. They are super delicious. They are super easy to just grab for. A quick little snack. There's not a ton of garbage. I'm going to show you guys. I've already opened my package, but look at the ingredient list here. Right there, you can see. There's really not a whole lot in there, which I love. I hate feeding my kids a bunch of sugary snacks that have a ton of gross ingredients. So honestly, these are amazing. Now I'm going to show you what they look like. These are the vanilla ones, but there are different flavors, and that's what it looks like. They are a little messy, but it is worth every bite. They are so good. So that's what it looks like on the inside. We grab for these all the time. Whenever I need to keep my babies quiet, I just hand them one of these and they are quiet. And for sugars, it's 13 grams of sugar, but that's for 4 cookies. My babies only ever have 1 or 2. Especially if we're in the grocery store and I need to get all my groceries done, I just bring these with me and it's amazing. So if you need a quick snack, I definitely recommend these. But that's just my point of view.